You've been lied to about money, not by a scammer, not by a bad investment, by the advice you've been given your entire life, by parents, teachers, social media, and finance channels, including this one. There is one money belief so common, so accepted, so deeply embedded that almost nobody questions it, and it's the reason most people stay broke. Today I'm exposing it and replacing it with the truth that actually builds wealth. The lie is this: you need to earn more money to get ahead. That's it. That's the lie. And before you click off, hear me out, because I know what you're thinking. That's not a lie. More money is better. You're right. More money is better. That part is true. The lie is the word need. You don't need more money. You need a better relationship with the money you already have. Let me prove it with data. The Federal Reserve's survey of consumer finances found that households earning $75,000 to $100,000 per year, solidly middle class, carry an average of $32,000 in non-mortgage debt, and households earning over $150,000, double the average income, still have a negative savings rate in their 30s more than 40% of the time. Earning more didn't fix it. If more income was the solution, why are people earning $150,000 still broke? Here's why this lie is so powerful and why you believe it even after hearing the data. Earning more feels like action. It feels like progress. It feels like the solution is outside of you. A raise, a promotion, a side hustle, something you can chase. Fixing your relationship with money feels passive, uncomfortable, like admitting something is wrong with how you think, not just how much you earn. Chasing income is exciting. Fixing habits is uncomfortable, so we choose exciting. And here's the trap. Every time you get a raise, your lifestyle expands. Every time you earn more, your spending finds a new level. This is called lifestyle inflation. We broke this down in video number 08. The result? You earn $40,000 and feel broke. You get a raise to $55,000. You feel okay for 3 months, then broke again. You earn $70,000. Same cycle, still broke. The treadmill gets faster. You never get off. More income on a broken system just breaks the system faster. So what's the truth? Wealth is built on the gap, not the income. The gap, the difference between what you earn and what you spend. That gap, and only that gap, determines how fast you build wealth. Let me show you 2 real scenarios. Person A earns $80,000 a year, spends $75,000. Gap $5,000 per year. Person B earns $50,000 a year, spends $35,000. Gap $15,000 per year. After 10 years, person B has invested $150,000 more than person A. At 8% average return, person B has $230,000 more in investments. Person B earns $30,000 less, has $230,000 more. Same decade, same market, same investment strategy. Person B wins by a massive margin, earning 37% less income. Because wealth isn't about how much comes in, it's about how much stays. The earn more lie comes in 3 different versions, and you've probably believed all 3 at different points in your life. Version number 1, I just need one more raise. This is the most common version. You believe one specific income number will finally make things work. But when you hit that number, the lifestyle has already expanded to meet it. So you need another number, then another. There is no income number that automatically fixes a broken relationship with money. Version number 2, I just need a side hustle. Side hustles are real. Extra income helps. But if your gap is broken, a side hustle just gives you more money to mismanage. The person who can't save $200 a month from their main job won't automatically save $200 from their side hustle. The habits come first, then the extra income amplifies them. Fix the habits first, then add income. Version number 3, rich people just had advantages I didn't. This one is tricky because it contains truth. Some people do have advantages. advantages. Systemic inequality is real. Starting points are not equal. But here's what the data also shows. 80% of millionaires in the U.S. are first-generation wealthy. They didn't inherit it. They built it on average incomes over time by widening the gap. Advantages help. They are not the whole story. The lie is using external factors as the reason to not start. The truth is, you can build wealth on your current income if you treat the gap as the goal. Here's how to actually escape this lie in 3 moves. Move number 1, stop measuring success by income. Start measuring by gap. Your new financial scorecard has one number on it, your monthly gap. Not your salary, not your net worth yet, just the gap. Write it down right now. Income minus expenses, that number. If it's positive, that's your starting point. If it's 0 or negative, that's your first problem to solve. Move number 2. Before chasing more income, optimize current income first. Cancel the forgotten subscriptions. Negotiate one bill. Cut the convenience costs. Most people have $200 to $400 of gap hiding in their current income. They just haven't found it yet. Find that money first, then chase more income. Now the extra income has a gap to land in instead of disappearing into lifestyle. Move number 3. Automate the gap before lifestyle can absorb it. The moment you find gap, automate it immediately before your brain figures out ways to spend it. Make the gap invisible. Let your lifestyle adjust to what remains.